Looks good. It looks like our pipe's about in the same place. And it looks like probably we can do some more mortar. I made it extra soft so it would not dry right away or start setting up too quick. So let's just put a little bit more on and then we'll go do the other conduit. And then I can do all this really nice. Now before I did this, I watered down this stone underneath. So that's another reason it's not setting up real fast even in it. Which we don't want it to do, we want it to take its time. So what we can do, where we have some, we can take a stone, kind of put more stones in it so we don't take as much mortar. Okay, let's let that set up. And let's go do the other conduit.